So to make it easy, I recommend you to use computer or laptop because we need to do a payment operation to buying a movie on YouTube TV. So at the home page, you want to go to your top right of your screen and then click on the search bar. And then you can just search for the specific movie on YouTube TV to check if that's available or not. So for example, I'm gonna search for Captain America. Right here on the Captain America The Winter Soldier, you wanna click on it. And then you wanna scroll down until you see this little arrow under the title of the movie. So just click on it. And then with this green word on rent or buy, you wanna click on it. And then to buy the movie of the Captain America, you wanna click right here, where you will have to pay 20 bucks, and then you can just start to watch the Captain America on YouTube TV. So just click on the purchase. You can complete the purchase with debit or credit card or even your PayPal. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to buy a film or a movie on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.